Where are we? El Cajon. We got Clark here.
Vietnam Veterans of America. We're having a scholarship fund. It's a Mike, Tom, and Glenn, who are past members of the
Oh, they yanked right off. So. I saw it like this black one here. This is
All right, we're at Indian Motorcycle in El Cajon. You can see it right there. There, I'm pointing at it right now. So they have veterans, Vietnam Veterans of America, a post or charter that has this event. All right, we're at Indian Motorcycle. Where are we? El Cajon. We got Clark here. So what's going on, Clark? What's this all about?
This is a benefit for the Vietnam Veterans of America. We're having a scholarship fund. It's a yearly event we have on the third Saturday of every February, honoring Mike, Tom, and Glenn, who are past members of the VVA. I'm sorry. Geez, I'm really messed up this morning.
I can't find my ticket. I'm taking another
But yeah, everybody's welcome to come over. We have a lot of raffle prizes and stuff.
I see that.
The ride's already left, gone out, so they'll be back around 11:30, 12 o'clock. We'll do lunch and then have raffle prizes.
All right, Clark, thank you. Got a lot of good stuff here. So this is after the Motorcycle Monkey was at right now, so have a good bunch of people here hanging out, enjoying their day. Thanks again, Clark. We'll be seeing you soon.
It's our pleasure. Thanks.
That's what we have right there. And I see Clark is out there. He's one of the persons involved with getting this started. Anyway, there's a group that went off on a ride. They should be back here any minute now. I wasn't able to do the ride. I was doing something else this morning, but it's always a fun ride. I did this ride a couple of times already, past few years, and they have like a training circle area back there. So anyway, let's go check out some new Indian bikes.
highway pegs, exhaust, cams, headlights. I mean, look, this is from Baja Design. If you want, you guys can test it right now. Here. So, and the reason why that's important is because that truck is $4,000. It's not cheap if you were to buy it and put it on one of these. But if you buy it built into the MSRP, you're definitely losing value, and then you can yank it off, store it in the garage. Like this black one here, this is
Pretty nice setup. I like these bikes, but man, they're up to $35,000 for this one. Wow. Awesome bikes though.
it's also adaptive audience capacity.
Have any questions, sir?
No, I'm doing good. Thank you.
Okay, yeah, welcome.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Anyway, so we set up the foundation.
When Glenn died,
In
he
45
died in
minutes,
67.
I said to the
When
principal,
he
I
died,
said,
that
no,
was something
okay,
that really
here's the first thing I had to do.
But I never started talking to him. Unfortunately, it was 2014.
Hey, you know what? It's better than 2000 never, right?
Yes.
Professor Gilbert, oh, he's parking down there. I didn't see Timmy behind me.